Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to create a Pinterest board. So if you're new to Pinterest, you can follow along. So open up your Pinterest account, and I've got a lot of boards already, but yours might not look like this. That's totally okay. So to create your first board, you're going to click on Create, and you've got different options here, but the one we're going to look at today is creating a board. So click on board, and you need to give your board a name. So you want it to be really relative to the type of content you're going to post there. So if you're a blog or a business, you want it to be one of the main keywords that people are going to be searching for your content. So it might be something like home decor. So once you've given it a name, you're going to scroll down and click on create. So Pinterest will say add some pins to your board, so you can to start with, because this helps Pinterest know what your board is about. So you can go and click on and add other people's pins. So when you're done there, you're going to click on done. So you haven't got any pins on your board yet, and you will want to add some of your own. But what you will also want to do is edit your board, especially if you're a blogger or a business and you want people to find your board. So in the description, you want to give quite a detailed description and add in keywords that people are going to be searching for. So you can just write this yourself. But what I like to do is I like to open up another Pinterest page, and I'll go to my home feed. So I'm going to search for keywords for my new board. So what I like to do, I go to search. So I type in the title of my new board. Whoops. Home decor. And then Pinterest will suggest to you lots of different keywords. So these are what people are searching for. So I'm going to make sure I add all of these keywords into my new board description. Another way to do it is, I'm just going to click on that. So home decor. You can also look at other people's boards for inspiration. So on the left hand side, you click on this little tab on the filters tab, and I'm going to go down and click on boards, click apply. Then lots of other people's boards that have the same name as mine will come up. So I can have a look at these boards and look at what types of keywords people have put in their boards. So here's one here. So I'm going to click on that. Not much of a description there, but you can look at others and get ideas for keywords for your description to put in that will help people find your board. Hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.